Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a delightful summer recipe for you, marinated cucumbers. It's the perfect dish to cool you down on a hot day. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll cut the cucumbers into sticks, ensuring to remove the melon pulp from each stick. Place the cucumber sticks in a bowl, add salt, and give it a thorough stir. Let them marinate overnight, allowing the flavors to infuse. In a separate bowl, we'll create a fragrant spice mixture. Take some hand-shredded dried chili peppers and star anise, then pour boiling cooking oil over them until they become wonderfully fragrant. Add water, light soy sauce, black vinegar, dark soy sauce, and crushed garlic cloves to the mixture. Give it a good stir, cover the bowl, and let it rest overnight to develop its exquisite flavors. Now, it's time to remove excess water from the cucumbers. You can achieve this by gently squeezing them or even placing some heavy dishes on top to aid in the process. Next, we'll soak the cucumber sticks in the prepared sauce and let them marinate for a blissful 2 hours. This allows the cucumbers to absorb all the incredible flavors from the marinade, creating a tantalizing taste sensation. And voila! Your marinated cucumbers are now ready to be savored. I encourage you to give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me improve. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.